In this video we will learn how to add review category and performance settings in FlowHCM. First of all, we will log in into FlowHCM portal. Here is the dashboard. Click on the performance module on top navigation bar. So here you can see performance settings form. Click on review category form. Click on add review category button, a pop-up will be visible. Enter the category title and details, then click on add button to save. In this manner, multiple review categories can be added and used in review form and report generation. System will show the added list of review categories in grid.